Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and today I'm going to run through what I've put together for the Counterfeit Kit Community Challenge. Now, the Counterfeit Kit Challenge is a Facebook group and a blog. They have a blog where every month they will choose a collection from someone we all know and love, and the idea is you create a kit using that kit as an inspiration, and you just pull from stash. I probably explained that really bad, but I'm sure you'll understand. Go to the group, check it out. But I'll have the blog listed and the Facebook group listed so that you can see what it's all about. But it's really fun, and I'm on a no spending spree at the moment, so it's really helpful for me to see a kit they choose, and then I go through my stash and go, oh well, that's sort of the same, and that's the same, and I can make that work for that theme, and I can create a whole big collection without having to spend any money, and I'm using my stash, which is awesome. So I'll pop in the photos of what the Counterfeit Kit girls have selected for us to make our own kit from this month. Alright, so you'll see it's a 49 market kit. It is all bright colours, tropical. There's a flamingo in there. There's pineapples, seashells, butterflies, turtles, flowers, all that sort of thing. So I just went through my stash. I was looking for bright colours and anything that fit that theme. Now, to add to this, as I go through and do the challenges, I'll be adding coloured cardstock. I didn't bother pulling that because I think I've got a colour for everything in the rainbow. There's not many colours I don't have in my stash of cardstock, so I should be able to find something for every challenge. But what I want to do is show you all the papers that I just chose from my stash, and then all the embellishments that I picked out for it. So the first one is an old one. It is Print Blocks, which is an Australian company, and one-sided. Have no idea how old it is, but it's old. But it was tropical, frangipani's Tropic Leaves, so I thought, well, that would work. Here's another one that was nice and bright, and this is finmark.com.au, no idea. This is an oldie as well, but floral, tropical vibe with that one. And this is just a striped piece because it was bright. On the back is a aqua sort of raindrop type of pattern, but I chose it for the brights. Another bright one, so that all the bright papers gives me a chance to use them. On the back, because I've got two of these, is a like water, I guess, droplets. This bright one, Lime Ricky from Basic Grey. I've got two of those. Now that is bright. Another Basic Grey Lemonade. A Basic Grey Lemonade. Oh, hang on, they're different. Oh, that's Sunshine, and this is Lime Cooler. And then another Lime Ricky Basic Grey. These are definitely bright. And Tea Time Basic Grey. Another bright one, Pink and Circles. I don't even know who this is by. Oh, there we go, on the back. Shabby Princess Collection, Bow Bunny Press. You want to guess the date? It's going to be really old. 2005. It's a blast from the past, and that is really thin. Anyway, told you my stash is old. And another pink one, which had these lovely bright words down the bottom, so I thought, well, that would work. American Crafts, Miss Betty. 2012, but I thought pink, that would work. Sometimes you don't need all bright, you need something tamer. A pink paisley colour wash, which I thought would work as well. And then, and not quite as bright, but still the yellows, the pinks, the florals. That is from Paper Loft. Another one, this is an old one because it's really thin as well. Bright florals, and this is a Doodlebug Designs from 2005, and this one smacks you in the face. A really bright stripe, another Doodlebug Designs, 2005. Wait. Now we've got some butterflies and pink flowers. That works as well. Bright pink stars. More butterflies. This is a Kaisercraft. I recognise this one. Kaisercraft Enchanted. Magic Happens collection. There was butterflies in that 49er market. Here's another one. A really bright striped. A pink circles. I was going to say check then. That ain't check. That's dots. Stripes on the back. Bigger dots. And I assume bigger stripes on the back. Oh no, not quite. Another basic grey, bright striped. Seashells, because there was seashells in that kit by 49er market. Orange. This reminded me, it's not quite tropical, but you could get away with it on a tropical page. That's from Echo Park. On the back is a lovely green. A yellow, bright yellow from Echo Park as well. And that quatrefoil orangey sort of, what's it called? Salmon colour. Another bright yellow, Echo Park with words upside down. With words on the back. A lovely orange bright striped diagonal, which, well, I hope it does. I'm sorry, not hope. It's probably doing weird things to your eyes, because it's doing weird things to my eyes looking at it. That I know is a Stampin' Up! Paper. Orange paisley. And then an orange. This has got to be early 2000s, because I remember this. I think I bought quite a few. I don't know why, because I don't think it's that nice. But anyway, orange swirl. And then we have a yellow floral. I've got lots of yellow in here. And then a lovely Bow Bunny bold yellow stripe. Back to basics. And a big tropical yellow flower on the back. Alright, so they're all the papers that I've chosen. Now to go with it, I went through my embellishments. And I found things that I thought I'd be able to use, even if it was just one thing in the packet. So here we have like a shine on. This is Simple Stories. There's a roller skates, a light bulb, a sun, ice cream. So they're all things out and about in the sun, summer type of vibe. Then we have headings by Pink Fresh, title Ephemera from the Happy Heart range. And there's lots in there. Sun, best, happiness, lots I could use there. And then Sunkiss packet from Cocoa Vanilla. I've used some, so that was just in my stash. Free Spirit Words, Cocoa Vanilla. I've got a whole heap of them. I'm using them as much as I can to get rid of them. But still, there's, you know, there's the pink and the green that can use on layouts. Uniquely Creative Cuts, and this is the Summer Holiday Creative Cuts. It's like beach and other ones in there can be used. Minte Vacation Die Cuts. So obviously, you know, that's tropical because look at the big flamingo. Hopefully I haven't used it and he's still in there, or she's still in there. But there's flowers and cookies and all sorts of things. I don't know if there's any shells, but there's ice creams, another flamingo. That's all like your summer thing. Cameras, sunglasses. That will work. And then I have puffies with a flamingo and a lemon wedge and a tropical like floral spray there. A pineapple. Thongs or flip-flops. That is from American Crafts. I don't know. Chasing Adventures. Is that the range? Because I've torn off the top to get into it. Studio Calico, some phrase stickers. I haven't even opened them. They've been in my stash a while. Haven't opened them. But they're pink. So that'll work. Simple Stories puffy stickers. Full Bloom. So there's some summer sort of tropical things I can get away with in there. And then Sunkissed. Again, puffy stickers, Cocoa Vanilla. We've got a sun, some rainbows, a pineapple. Foam title stickers from Sunkissed, Cocoa Vanilla. gold glitteries. Haven't even opened them. Oh, I found a 6x6 paper pad. This is a Stampin' Up paper pad. Butterfly Kisses. And I got it for the... I pulled it out for the bright colours and the butterflies. So, lots there I can cut out for embellishments. Beautiful, bright coloured paper. Yep, great. I've got some frames from Simple Stories, cardboard frames. I've used one or two, I think. So I still have this one in there. These two, which are like joined together, and the hello one. I think I might have used that one and that one. I've got that one left, but so the colours don't suit. But these ones do. So hopefully incorporate one of those. Some Cocoa Vanilla Sun-Kissed cardboard accessories, stickers. No, I don't know why I say cardboard. They're on cardboard, but they're stickers. So there's 2 sheets there. They are different, but it's the one pack. And then I just picked out some odds and sods from the container I always have at my desk of bits and pieces. So I've got some butterflies and some red embellishments and some yellow embellishments. So I just picked out some things really quickly from that container that might suit and work in this collection. So that is it for today. And like I said, I will link below the blog for the Counterfeit Kit challenge, and I'll also link the Facebook group. So feel free to join the Facebook group. It's lots of fun, and they come up with a new kit every month. So yeah, it's lots of fun. What was I going to say? I was going to say something else and I've forgotten what it was. Alright, yes, come back to my channel in a week or so to see the first challenge layout that I have done. And yeah, if you've liked this, give me a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hit that notify bell so you'll know when my next video comes out. And that will be, you'll also get notified when the layouts start coming out for using this collection. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.